When we think about effective communication, we often focus on verbal cues like tone and language, but what about nonverbal cues like hand gestures? These subtle movements can make all the difference in how our message is received and understood. In fact, studies have shown that incorporating hand gestures into our communication can increase audience engagement, build trust, and even convey confidence. Have you ever found yourself in a conversation trying to get your point across, but somehow it just falls flat? Maybe you're trying to share an exciting idea, but instead of sparks flying, the conversation just fizzles out. One of the main culprits behind this breakdown in communication is our lack of awareness around nonverbal cues, particularly hand gestures. When we're unaware of our body language, we can come across as nervous, uncertain, or even dishonest. So, what happens when we're in a conversation and we're not using effective hand gestures? Well, our words can come across as insincere or lacking conviction. Our audience might start to disengage, and before we know it, we've lost their attention. But what if I told you there's a simple solution to this problem? A solution that can instantly boost your confidence, build trust, and convey authority? The technique I'm about to share with you is called the open palm emphasizer. It's a subtle yet powerful gesture that can instantly shift the dynamics of any conversation. To execute it correctly, start by holding your arm out in front of you, with your palm facing upwards. As you make a key point or emphasize a statement, slowly rotate your wrist so that your palm faces downwards. This simple movement can convey confidence, authority, and conviction. Psychologically, it tells your audience that you're open, honest, and receptive to their feedback. In fact, studies have shown that using the open palm emphasizer can increase persuasive power by up to 20%. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals, whether that's closing deals, building relationships, or simply communicating more effectively. Now it's your turn to try it out. Give the open palm emphasizer a shot, and share your experiences with me in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about communication skills and hand gestures, be sure to check out my next video on the power of nonverbal cues. Thanks for watching.